Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Professor Academy. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Let's go toward the topic. Today we will briefly discuss about the use of it, this, these, that, those in an English grammar. Let's start from the first word, which is it. Here the word it is used in the introductory phrase and to emphasize on some noun and pronoun. It is used to indicate something small, animals and lifeless things. It also tells us about the seasons, weather or time. So guys, we have discussed here that we can use it before starting up a sentence which is known as an introductory phrase. If we want to stress something in the sentence or in phrase, we use the word it. It is mainly emphasized in some noun or pronoun. Similarly, it is used to indicate something small. If something is small as compared to other thing, we use it. It is also used for animals, similarly for lifeless things. We have given the example here that it is very hot today. It is very hot today. Similarly, the other example, it is pleasant in April here. So we can give some other example to you. I will write here. For example, I will write it is very kind of you. Very kind of you. This is another example. Similarly, I can use this for animal, as I have mentioned already here that we can use it for something small or animal. So if I use it for animal, for example, it is a cat. It is a cat. It is not a dog. It is not a dog. So you can practice it and you can use the word it in English grammar after doing some practice. Now we are heading toward this, these. The use of this, these in an English grammar is very easy. After reading and memorizing these simple steps, we use this to point out something singular, while these to point out something plural. Actually, you have to notice here that we can use the word this to point out something singular, but these things must be near to us. For example, as I have already given an example here, this is my pen. I think this pen, this is my pen. And while these to point out something plural near to us. For example, these are boys. These are boys. So here boys are plural, therefore, and near to us. Therefore, we use the word these. I mean that if we want to mention, if we want to point out something plural, we use the word these. Okay. Other example are these are our birds. I think these are our birds. Similarly, you can use the word these in some other occasion. These are the flowers. These are the flowers. So you can use the word these after reading this simple definition for the word this, these. The last words are the word that and those. We can use these words to point out. We can use the word that to point out something singular far from us. If we want to point out something which is away or far from us, similarly we use the word that. Similarly, if we want to point out something plural which is away from us, far from us, and those is used to point out something plural far from us, like that is a bird. Actually the bird is far from me. Those are birds. Actually when we get the birds plural here, we will put the word those, because we told here that those is used to point out something plural far from us. So guys, hopefully you will have understand a brief discussion about the word it, this, these, that, those. If you want to get more lecture like this, you shouldn't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you.